dreams go beyond.
A reputed building construction company vacancies at Abu Dhabi. 1. Projects engineer, civil. 2. Planning manager, civil. 3. Cost control engineer, civil. 4. Project engineer, civil. 5. Site engineer, civil. 6. Senior site engineer, civil. 6. Senior document controller with civil qualification. QC inspector, civil. 9. QC inspector, MEP. 10. QC inspector, finishing works. 11. Civil foreman. 12. Scaffolding supervisors. 13. Senior storekeeper, civil qualification background preferred. 14. Storekeeper, civil qualification background preferred. Important note: all positions require a background and experience in civil building construction, Vill-Residential tower. This is mandatory. Candidates with oilfield or other industries experience will not be considered for these positions. Applicants must be currently based in the UAE, and UAE experience is mandatory. Interested candidates are requested to send their CVs to anisha.jayan@alrawabit.com and mention the position in the subject line to avoid any delays in processing your application. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive notifications whenever I post new job vacancies. This way, you'll be among the first to know about the latest opportunities.